Afternoon, welcome. This is Neco year 2019 Civic Education Past Question. Question number 53 says the natural way of acquiring a citizenship is by dash. That is, acquire means becoming or belonging to a state, and who is a citizenship? Who is a citizen? What is citizenship? Citizenship is the process of becoming a citizen of a state. So option A, we have birth, B, honorary, C, marriage, D, naturalization, E, registration. Citizenship by registration is the same as citizenship by marriage. Citizenship by marriage. When a woman marries a man of another country, it becomes a citizenship. So the citizenship by naturalization means denouncing one's state and then becoming a member of another country. The honorary means by honor that you bear. So citizenship by birth is natural. Is what is natural. So option A is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more videos.